Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Michelle. I am a wife, mom, and a pretend chef, and today I am going to be making chicken wings in my brand new air fryer. I've got a great recipe that I think is going to be pretty great, so if you are interested in learning how to make these, keep watching. Okay, so I have everything we need all laid out here. As you can see, I've got some sweet potatoes ready to go because I'm going to make some sweet potato fries to go along with these wings. And just a reminder, all the exact measurements are in the description box below. Now, before you get started on seasoning those wings, make sure you pat them dry with a paper towel. So we're gonna season with some cayenne pepper, some garlic salt, about a half a teaspoon of paprika, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. You want to make sure you mix this up really well, coat those wings really well with the seasoning, massage that seasoning in, and then before you put the wings inside of your air fryer, make sure you spray it really well with the cooking spray. It does a great job of keeping the wings from sticking to the bottom of the pan, as well as helps them crisp up really nicely. So as you can see, I am just putting these wings in at an even layer. You don't want to overcrowd them, so if that means you have to fry them up in batches, go ahead and do that. Trust me, it is well worth it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and bake these at 350 for 25 minutes. Okay, so your potatoes, you're going to go ahead and peel those, and then make sure you rinse them really well once you've got them peeled, and then we're going to go ahead and cut them up. I'm going to cut mine into 1/2 inch thick fries. You can totally make them thinner or thicker, totally up to you, but make sure that whatever you decide, they are roughly about the same size. Okay, so now that you've got those all cut up, you're going to want to put on a tablespoon of olive oil. Just go ahead and drizzle that over top. And make sure you mix it up really well. Make sure they're very well coated before you go ahead and add on that brown sugar. And then I'm also going to add on some salt. I'm using table salt, but you can use sea salt or any other coarse salt that you have. That's totally fine also. And then again, just make sure you mix that up really well. And we're just gonna set these aside for now. Alright, so your wings should be ready to flip by now. You're just gonna go ahead and pull those out, flip them over, and then they're gonna go back into the air fryer. But this time we're gonna go ahead and turn the heat up to 400 degrees, and they are going back in for 5 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and make that lemon pepper sauce. I've got some melted butter here, and I'm going to add in a tablespoon of lemon pepper seasoning. I'm also adding in some garlic powder here. And then just a little bit of parsley as well. Just go ahead and stir that up really well. As soon as those wings come out, you're going to want to go ahead and pour that sauce right onto the wings. You can even put them inside of a container and shake them up if you want to get them really well coated. I like to pour them on because I like my wings extra saucy. Those are beautiful. They came out so well, you guys. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and make those sweet potato fries. Again, you're just gonna spray the air fryer down with some cooking spray, and then throw your potatoes into the basket. You wanna make sure that you drain off any excess liquid that was on the fries. before you put them in, otherwise they will not get crispy. And we're gonna bake these at 380 for 25 minutes. Once those are done, you're gonna wanna put them in a container that has a lid. And I'm just adding on another tablespoon of brown sugar and a couple shakes of cinnamon. And then you want to immediately cover those up, shake them up really well so that the brown sugar can melt and it will coat evenly all over your sweet potato fries, and they will be so delicious and perfect. And you can even eat them right now at this step. But I'm going to go ahead and add on some salt and parsley onto mine because I like a little bit of sweet and salty. And that's really it, you guys. At this point, just go ahead and add your wings onto the plate and just enjoy. I'm telling you, these wings came out so good. This recipe was so easy. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you'd be so kind to go ahead and leave me some recommendations in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one.